Well, hello there, everybody. Drae here, and welcome to the beautiful world that is Plasma. Today, we're going to be checking out the newest game made by the same people who created one of my favorite indie games, Polybridge. As I said, this one is called Plasma. It is an engineering playground, so if you are a fan of things like Scrap Mechanic, Besiege, and all the other ones that are out there, this game is kind of in the same realm as those. And that's kind of the bread and butter of my channel. I'm definitely not an engineer, but I love playing with people's creations, so I'm super excited for a new one to come out, and this is looking absolutely beautiful. What the hell is that? Hey. Oh, what the? Oh, I thought it was stopping to look at me. So yes, this is the demo for the game. It's going to be coming out in early 2023. And yeah, this is just kind of showcasing what the engine entails and how complex you can get in this game. So yeah, we're just going to wander through here and kind of experience it. You're creeping me out. Why? Can I do anything with you? Oh yes, now I am the boss. Can I just throw it? Oh wow. It just kind of just keeps going on its own. All right. So first of all, we have an RC car, and it looks like we can fully control it from this box. So just kind of showcasing the robotics that you can do in this game. What does the light do? Is there a light on the car? Yes, we have little front headlights. All right, so that's pretty cool. I think there's quite a bit here. I really want to just go ahead and explore, but let's try and learn as we go. So it says R on the face. Hello. You're kind of adorable. Switch state. Okay, so yeah, there's a frozen state where I'm assuming you can edit things, and then there is the alive state. So that's pretty cool. We can also grab him and do whatever we want. I like that his face changes. It's so great. Do not touch. Of course, I'm gonna touch it. All right, so we got rocket projectiles landing right over to the next thing. Oh, this is cool. So you can program different hand gestures. Obviously, a lot of mechanics here. Can I shoot this again? No, I guess once we use the fuel, it is all gone. Unfortunately, it doesn't explode. That's what I'm curious about. Is there explosions in this game? All right, but it looks like we gotta fix this wheel here. So kind of showing us the very basics of building. Am I doing this wrong? Okay, so yeah, there's like snap points. You can snap it to whatever you want. We'll put the wheel on, and I guess we can dock ourselves. By the way, I don't know what we are, but we are not human, clearly, just judging by my shadow. That or we have no arms, because it looks like I'm holding something. Or, sorry, no legs, because it looks like I'm holding something. All right, so we can dock on things, and we got a bunch of very big controls. What is this? Oh, of course it has a horn. Sick. We got lights. And obviously, these are all made inside the game, so it's just kind of showcasing what you can do in this game. And I'm getting kind of excited. This is a very beautiful game, and it also seems like it's going to be quite complex. All right, we got some sort of orb. Ooh. I love the UI. So we can have the state on or off. We can change the intensity. This is what I was curious about. How complex is this game? Change the range of the lighting. Oh, wow. Of course, we have a color wheel as well. This is pretty cool. I can even change the mass of it to make a really heavy light with high friction, obviously for editing for other types of blocks. Don't necessarily need bounce when you're doing lighting, but hey, we'll make it a bouncy light. All right, so that's cool. Looking over there, it looks like we have some more fun things to do, but let's check out this first. Whoa. What are we in now? Oh, okay, so this is where we can actually like code different things. So we have a button here and then a door. Once button is pressed, open door. It's as simple as that. And now this button should, yes, open the door. Perfect. Thanks for the check mark. That was really hard. Okay, and we just have a Pong cabinet in here. Okay, so you can program different games inside the game. I love it. Let's see how complex this is, though. Oh, it definitely is speeding up. Let me just open this just to see. Oh my God. Oh, this is what I'm excited about, because I'm not good at doing any of this type of stuff, but I just want to show how in-depth this game can get. You can truly code in this game, and well, this is essentially how you build Pong in the game. So we have different gates, tickers, proximity sensors. I am overwhelmed. It looks like this is how you drag components onto the blueprint. I'm going to call it a blueprint. I'm not sure if that's what it is. And then you can drag these wherever you want and totally break the game. So yeah, we'll do that. That sounds fun. What is this? Grab, throw? No, I want to use it. Switch state. GPS tracker. What? All right, I'm not sure how this works, but we have more things here. I don't know what any of this is. Switching this... Oh, a piston. Okay, so that's just a piston. So it's just kind of showing us different things it can make. A servo. What else do we got? Collision detectors. Okay, so yeah, these are obviously all things you can add to vehicles or whatever you decide to build. We even have a swivel chair. All the nice little details. Properties. This component has no properties. Open sketch. Is this a computer? What the... Oh my... There's a lot to this. Oh, yes. Oh my god, is this like a computer in the game? A camera feed, what? Hey, this is a hidden message for anyone brave enough to be pressing random buttons. I've hidden 4 devices somewhere in the world. Can you find them? Oh, finally pressing buttons works out for me. What else do we got? Hey, it looks like you're pressing random buttons to see if they work. This one does, and so does the next one. Okay, so I already hit that one. What's the camera about? No, hold on. This is cool. Oh, I gotta click watch camera feed. It's got a touch screen. Wait. Is this? Does this got a camera on it? Oh, it is surveillance. Oh, this is great because I actually want to see what I look like. So come here. Let's just go inside, buddy. All right. It's kind of flying into the wall like a dumb fly. Let's see if we can turn this thing around. No, come on. I don't know how to rotate you. Just work with me here. I just want to see what I look like. Stop flying this way. Please stop flying this way. So obviously this thing has GPS coordinates that it goes around. And because I pull it off of those coordinates, it keeps trying to go back to that. Oh, I think I see myself. Oh, come on. Why did you turn off? I hate this thing so much. Let's move on because we have way more to do. We do know that there's 4 hidden devices on the world now, so that's exciting. So we'll look for those later. It looks like there is like a mountain we can climb and whatnot. I'm assuming there's got to be at least one there. What is this? Whoa. Okay, so this is a time switch. Oh, that's so cool. I love that the light turns on when it's nighttime too. Okay, there is a lot in this game. I thought it'd be very basic considering this game isn't out yet, but I think they're going to be releasing a lot of tech when the game first comes out. We got a drone, obviously, of some sort. That's cool. What is this little guy? Hello. Okay, he has a follow switch on his back. So if I turn this on, does he follow me? No, I don't want to grab it. I just want to turn it on. All right, so switch states. So yeah, he's just chilling now. So if I click this... Oh my god, I love you. You're so adorable. All right, so now I just have a pet friend that's going to join me everywhere. Let's go on the Ferris wheel. You are not the fastest, are you? All right, what does this do? Oh, wow. Okay, so that definitely speeds it up. I don't know if I want to be going that fast. Come here, man. You're going to have the time of your life. Just hold on. There you go. Oh, okay. Insect follow has been teleported back. I'm sorry. I think I almost killed you. All right, the House of Sketch. Oh, that's interesting. There's a tree in the middle. All right, so Sketch is the programming. Button toggle the lamp on and off. So yeah, right now it is on toggle on and off. So obviously it's very basic learning for right now, but we can also, for example, reprogram this to turn off and on by a single press. So now it should, when I hold down, stay on, and then when I let go, stay off. Interesting. Okay, so cyan connections do not carry any data, but you can carry data through the nodes. Blue nodes represent behavior components. Again, this is going to probably get pretty deep now. Over my head, I just like playing with things, but I understand the basics of what's going on here. So the lamp node is missing, so we need that on. We already have the button here. So I do like how easy this is, because you can just drag everything over. So yeah, right now it's totally broken, but if we put it on press, we can turn the button on. Or sorry, the lamp. That should just be that. I believe this would be the LED strip, possibly. So we could have that on release, turn that on toggle, so it should flip back and forth, kind of. Yeah, that's cool. And obviously, this is just basic coding with this. You can get way more complex, but yeah, this is interesting to see. And it's very easy to use, actually, once you figure out what all the nodes do and whatnot. Speaking of that, we have pink connections now. Pink connections are connected to properties and carry data. In this case, the values defined in the press and released outputs of the button. Oh god, this is where it's probably over my head. So yeah, this button's just simply attached to this servo here, and when it goes on, it turns to a speed of, I believe, target speed is 0? But one press, it goes to 100. What can we put the speed to? Oh my god, okay. Let's just try that. Also, you can even customize like an off press. So when the button isn't pressed, if for whatever reason you wanted to keep the servo spinning, you could. Maybe slower to 10, for example. So now, oh my God. Oh, did I do something wrong? Okay, hold on. Easy now. What? There we go. Okay, so I'm slowly understanding this whole customization here. So I've been playing with this servo for a little bit. It's pretty cool. Even off of a press, you can keep it moving for whatever reason if you do want to. You just got to change this. It was actually at 0 at the start, which would obviously be off. So now, as you can see, it doesn't move. When it goes on, it goes to 100 because that's the target speed when pressed. But you can actually customize this as much as you want. I don't know how fast this thing can... Okay, 36,000. So does that mean I can put this at 36,000? So now it should be off. And when we press it, it should go extremely fast. That gets me excited because a lot of these games, for whatever reason, these servos are so slow. I want to build like a drag racer or something. And... obviously, we should be able to in this game. But it's cool that you can even program the off toggle of the button. That just shows how much customization you can do in this game. All right, so this is just going a bit more complex than this with the simple button press. We have a slider knob on this one, so you can throttle the power. If you want to go 100%, you go all the way up. You can obviously customize it to go faster as well. What's interesting is it's kind of showing how you can combine things together. So we could actually put the output position onto content here, and it should show a percentage of how much of this that we're using. So if you wanted to see how much percentage of power you're using, it's as simple as that. So that's pretty cool as well. Like, I don't do a lot of this, but I haven't seen another game as detailed as this. Okay, so now we're getting into logic, which is over my head, but this is designed to show under, within, or over on the screen, depending on the percentage of how much this button has been spun. So it's showing if it's under 33%, it's in the lower. If it's over 66%, it's in the upper. So it will show under, over, and then within if it's in between 33 and 66. Just gonna edit this a little bit, and there we go. And now... the game should tell you a very important thing. There. All right, so that was a very basic look of the sketches. Obviously, a lot of that is over my head. So let's go build with it now. Oh my God, what the hell was that? Hello? Anyways, it looks like we can build now. How to scale, how to rotate. Oh, okay, so there's a lot of information now, and we can build some basic things. All right, so I watched a thing about the small base. It's actually quite detailed, and it gets me excited. It looks like that the actual building is going to be very easy, though. So we don't have a whole lot in the game right now, but actually more than I expected. A lot of behavior-based things. It seems like that's where this game's going to truly shine. But there is some pre-built structures. So, for example, we can put down an observation room here, and I just want to show you how quickly the building is. I put it a bit high, but hey, that's fine. So we have our observation room. We can connect tunnels or whatever we want to anywhere. So, for example, if we wanted to add more to our base over here and have, I don't know, an ordinary bedroom over here. So we have our observation room and bedroom combo. That is perfect. We can obviously close these up. Now you can, you know, go upwards if you want. Oh, also, I forgot that you can actually clone these. So if you don't want to have to constantly go to that menu, you just middle mouse click and look at that. It's as simple as that to build really, really quickly in this game. All right, so now we blocked a lot of the holes. I would like some more windows, especially in my observation room. And maybe we want a back door over here. No, let's put a window, being that we don't have a window in here. But we do have an area for a front door. So we will, of course, put a door in that. Now, obviously, we can't open that without, you know, programming it. So first of all, we're going to switch states. So we're into the ordinary game now. I do like this place. We might need some lighting in here or whatnot, but hey, that's fine for right now. So let's get into some programming for this. So we obviously want a door button. This is a bit big for me, so we can simply just place it, and then we can size it to whatever we want. I want a nice small button. We also need a controller. You need a controller for anything that you program, I believe. And now we should, yes, be able to get into this. All right, so now we have the button. We're gonna bring over the door as well. Now we can simply just put this on here, but I want to put a timer on this. So we have a node library. Obviously, this is a lot that's over my head. You can kind of see the amount of things you can do in this game already. But I believe there should be a timer in here. Perfect. So we're going to do a timer function. So essentially what I want the door to do is stay open for an allotted time and then close. So when pressed, we're going to start the timer. We don't want it on a loop or it would just open and close. Duration. You could even put it on hours if you want. We're just going to do 2 seconds. That should be enough time to get out of the door. And then that should go to close. I believe we should have this on released as well, not pressed. That should give me a little more time. And then I don't know if this is how I do this, but we'll try it. We're learning as we go. Now, I think once it pressed, it will open. And then after 2 seconds, it will close. Let's see if my programming... Can I grab structure while inside it? What? Oh, that's okay. I was in the build mode. So now it should... Whoa. I have broken it already. And see, this is why I don't code. All right, so I think I got it now. We're just going to put it all on press. And it should open and then start the timer and close it. Did I do it right now? I can program a door. Yay. Also, just for fun, I'm going to up the speed and torque of this bad boy. Just to make sure if anyone's on the outside, they get flung away. There we go. Now it's nice and fast. I might need to add a delay to that. It kind of just knocks me in as well. Oh, I just realized I'm not going to be able to get back in. All right, so instead of an ordinary boring button, I'm going to try and program a distance sensor. So once it senses the player within, not 50 meters, that would be a very long time to have the door open. Let's do 0.5 meters, so we're nice and close. It should open and close. So once detected... let's see if I can do this right. We can start the timer, and then it should close just like before. But also, once detected, we want to open the door. That is some ugly coding, but did I do it right? Hello? Oh, wait, hold on. It's not in simulation mode, so let's try again, please. Yes! Oh, you've noticed me. Now, should it close? Yes, look at me. A button on the inside... but a fancy ID detect on the outside. So going deeper into this, I'm going to put a slider and you can actually change the opacity of the windows in this thing. So same idea as before. Pull the slider out. We're going to need a whole new code for this because it's not connected to the door. We're going to throw the observation room on here. And then simply we can just drag this over to the glass opacity tab. And if it's at a 0 position, it's 0% opacity. And I believe it's automatically done to the point where if it's 100%, it goes up. Oh, that's so cool. So yeah, if you just want some nice shade, you can have some shade now. You can obviously attach it to the windows as well if you wanted to. But yeah, I'm just trying to show you the basics of what this is all about. I believe you could even attach it to these, or you might need a whole new controller for that. I'm not sure. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how easy the building is in this game and the coding. If I can do it, pretty much anyone can do it. I kind of want to explore and see if we can find those hidden things, because... any sort of secrets intrigue me, so let's see if I can get lucky and find something around here. Well, 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 it looks like we found the first one. We have invaders of space. So, legit, we just have space invaders in this. It's very hard to use this. I wish you could combine this to, like, keyboard controls, because having to use your mouse to click while shooting, not the easiest, but this is legit just freaking space invaders in this game already. I'm so excited to see what people can create in this. Is there just more video games about? Looks like we have an obstacle course here. I didn't even know. Do I have a boost? Oh my god, I do. I can crouch, space, 2 times. Wait, do I have a double jump? Oh my god, I got a double jump. This whole time, I haven't been utilizing my movement. Space, and then jump. What is this, like to climb? I think I'm climbing. Check. Yay, I did it. There's got to be something up here. Yes! Magic 6-wheel. What? Oh. Okay, so it's like a magic 8-ball. Are you going to subscribe to my channel if you're not already? Okay. Well, I thought for sure there'd be something up here, but I see something over there. Finally, more vehicles. That's what I'm most curious about. Am I flying? How do I go down? What? I don't... Is this normal? Guys, I seem to be not affected by gravity now. I don't know what I did. I might have hit a button? What the... Okay, well, I guess we're going to space real quick just to see if we can. You're approaching the world's limit. Teleportation is imminent. Okay, I just wanted to go see the sun. Oh, damn it. How do I stop this now? What did I do? Wait, C? Is it C? Well, C goes back down. So I guess we can just deal with that. All right, but here we go. Oh, yes, look at this. We even got fans on it for extra cooling. So we should be able to, yeah, just simply get in, close my door. WSD to drive. Thank God. I thought everything was going to be knob-based. Lights on or off. We need the motor on. Oh, nice indicator there. We'll turn the lights on. And he's even got a compass on it, it looks like. And yes, we can use keyboard controls with this bad boy. I'm really curious to see if they're going to add extra cameras. I'm assuming they will add cameras where you have like external views, because don't get me wrong, first person is nice, but having the option of an external camera is always nice as well. Not the fastest of vehicles. That's what I'm curious about. A lot of games like this, they don't do vehicle physics very well, so I'm really hoping, at least when you go to speed, that this will do really well. Look at these shocks. They're fancy. All right, so I think that was 3 out of the 4 that I was supposed to find. Hey, I guess I could just grab all of those. I don't know where the other one is. I'll quickly look around again, but we might not be able to find that one. All right, yeah, quick look around, and I'm not finding the last one, unfortunately, but I think this is a really good showcase at what this game has for potential. This is just kind of showcasing the game. It's not anything too crazy, but this gets me super excited for when crazy people get a hold of this, and we'll see what they can make, because with me at the helm, I can only do the very basics of building this very sad structure over here. But also, I did notice there's a world browser already, so that's the big thing for me. If I can subscribe to things, I think you guys know that I like that, and I've already did stargazing. This is the only other map currently available, but it's nice to know that there is shareable maps, and as it suggests, it's literally just, we got a nice satellite camera here, and you can zoom in, zoom out, and look at the beautiful stars. So yeah, this is currently the only one on the workshop, but I mean, this is what I'm so excited about. There's also device sharing, so we can go to the device browser. I haven't installed any of these. Let's go back to a lighter map real quick. Okay, so now we're just in like a free build world, which looks to be the same layout as the demo, except without anything here. So I'm just gonna download a few of these and see what they're all about. All right, so here's just a few of the devices on the workshop right now. Now, nobody has this game yet except for a few content creators, I believe. So this is all dev related, I believe, but just kind of showing you the other things you can do in this game. We have a little rocket. We have a friendly bear. I think this one is called the dancing robot. Oh, yes, there we go. We got a little dog, Bud Mark III. Hello, buddy. Am I supposed to turn you on? Is Bud dead? Bud. Oh, there we go. Okay. Hello? Are you... What is going on, Bud? Okay, you are not the fastest. This is a UFO. I have no idea how this works. Okay. This one gets me excited because it's a mirror. I can finally see. Yes! I see what I look like, and I am a freaking robot. Oh my god, I'm a weird robot. I don't know how to smile, game. And then we have this horrifying thing, which is a face. Okay, yeah, that's creepy for some reason. All right, guys, well, that's about it for Plasma right now. Obviously, I could build a lot more. I didn't really go into the building, but it is seriously impressive what you can do in this game. You can even scale, like, the different widths. I don't actually know how to do it, but, I mean, the amount of... Oh, there we go. The amount of scaling and editing in this game already is really, really impressive. I'm super excited to see what the community makes when this game is fully released. I believe you can get access to this demo sometime early next month. I believe the 4th. I could be wrong on that, though. But yeah, as I said, the game isn't fully coming out till 2023, which gets me excited. If it's this polished already in demo form, yeah, I'm really excited to see the future of this game when it does fully come out. And I will be checking it out again in the near future. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this first look into it. I hope you're excited for this game. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching and liking, guys. I'll see you in the next one.